As a Somali woman raised in Canada, I hold dear the vital task of preserving our rich culture. Our Somali heritage is a vibrant mosaic woven with stories, traditions, and the beauty of our language. Even oceans away, the Somali language resonates with me, connecting me to my past and shaping my identity. Amongst the blend of cultures, embracing our roots becomes a beacon of belonging. Our language, a melodic bridge to our ancestors, carries the essence of resilience and unity. Dressed in traditional attire, I carry their legacy proudly. Through passing down our customs to younger generations, I ensure our heritage thrives. This culture isn't confined by borders. It's a symbol of our shared history. Somali people, scattered across the globe, possess the power to nurture our traditions, celebrating our uniqueness and fostering a sense of home. Let's treasure our heritage as Somali people, weaving our language, traditions, and stories into the fabric of our lives. In our hands, this legacy finds eternity, a testament to the enduring spirit of our people.